Welcome to the What's New Service Health video. Starting with Summer 16 release, staff members and clients can look at the availability status of the relevant business services at a glance by accessing the Service Health feature from Self-Service or from the Remedy4 Service Health tab. To begin with, let's understand how the Service Health feature works in Self-Service. Service outages are likely to affect the various processes in your organization and lead to increase in downtime. Planning service outages and informing the users beforehand about the upcoming service outages helps users plan their tasks around service outages. You might also want to inform users about current outages. If an unexpected outage has occurred, staff members can create an outage and display the service health record in Self-Service. This prevents creation of multiple tickets for the same issue. The Service Health feature has been introduced to help you create service outages so that staff members and clients can view the service health of all relevant business services at a glance and know about all current outages and planned outages. To enable users to view service health in Self-Service, you must configure certain settings. This can be done by navigating to Remedy4's Administration, Application Settings, Service Health Settings. Select the number of days for which the history of the service outage is saved for display in Self-Service. By default, the value is 1 day and the maximum allowed value is 30 days. If you want users to view the services linked to a client or to a client's account, you must select the client checkbox, client's account checkbox, or both checkboxes. And you can also choose to enable users to subscribe to email notifications on service outage updates. A new tile, View Service Health, is now available in Self-Service. After clicking the Service Health tile, you can view the health of all relevant business services at a glance. By default, services with all status values are displayed in Self-Service and clients can see the current service health of all the relevant available, degraded and disrupted services along with the services under planned maintenance. The services that are displayed here are either linked to a client or to a client's account or both, depending upon what the system administrator has configured. You can filter the services based on their availability status. You can also choose to see the services separately. For example, only degraded or disrupted or services under planned maintenance can be seen. To see the outage details of a service, click the service name. Here is an example of a degraded service. You can see the actions performed on the service outage. You also have an option to subscribe to updates about the service outage if the system administrator has enabled this option. Depending upon the number of days, which can be from 1 to 30 days as configured by the system administrator, you can see the history of outages that have occurred in the past for this service. It is indexed on the start date of the outage. Clicking Hide History hides the history of the service outage. On the Future tab, only services under planned maintenance are displayed. In this example, because the filter has been applied to display all status values, you can see the available services, a degraded service, a disrupted service, and a service under maintenance as well. Let's take a look at the Remedy4 Service Health tab from where a system administrator, a change manager, or a staff member can view the health of all relevant business services. You can see the Remedy4 Service Health tab only if you have logged in to BMC Remedy4 and have one of these profiles. The Remedy4 Service Health tab displays the current and future health of the business services at a glance. The business services that you can see on the Remedy4 Service Health tab can be filtered by a client's account and by their availability status. By default, only those services that are degraded, disrupted, or under planned maintenance are displayed. You can also choose to see the services separately. For example, only degraded or disrupted or services under planned maintenance can be selected and you can view the status of all the relevant services. To see the outage details of a service, click the service name. Here is an example of a degraded service. You can see the actions performed on the service outage. You also have an option to subscribe to email notifications if the system administrator has enabled this option. You can see the history of outages that have occurred in the past for this service. It is indexed on the start date of the outage. You can see the history of a service outage up to maximum 6 months. Clicking Hide History hides the history of the service outage. A new email template called Service Health Update has been created to be used to send email notifications to users who have subscribed to receive email notifications on any update on a service outage. On the service outage page, in the New Action option of the Actions menu, a new action called Service Health Update has been added. When you take an action on a service outage, you can add a note and an update about it here. The Projected Service Outage option in the Remedyforce administration, Manage Workflows and Other Processes in versions prior to Summer 16 is now called Service Outage in the Summer 16 release. In addition to the existing fields, the Service Outage form now has the outage status, root cause, and display in self-service fields. The start date is mandatory for all service outage records, and the end date is mandatory for outage records only when you select the blackout period checkbox or the outage status is maintenance. Though the end date is not mandatory for degraded or disrupted services, BMC recommends that you give an end date after the outage ends. If you do not provide an end date, the service continues to appear as degraded or disrupted in Service Health. If you want to display the outage in self-service when creating an outage record, select the Display in Self-Service checkbox on the Service Outage form. Remember that you must have System Administrator, Change Manager, or staff member permissions to perform this action. Note that for a service, you cannot create multiple outage records with overlapping dates. For more information about the Service Health feature, see docs.bmc.com. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with the Remedyforce Service Health feature in the Summer 16 release of BMC Remedyforce. Thank you for watching.